What's up, everybody? Welcome back to Trading Wars. Thanks for joining me today. Today, guys, we just had one of the most exceptional 618 Fibonacci that you've ever seen in your life, guys. Today was nothing short of revolutionary. I have a great plan for you guys for tomorrow with Lotto Friday. So I'm going to be breaking down everything, showing you the trades we took today, step by step, with the education that you need. All right, my friends. So if you're ready, let's step into the war zone. First and foremost, let's do some shout outs. So right here, Kareem Bowling, welcome to the Trading Wars Army, brother. Appreciate you. Jose, LC, Dante, Fishing World, Briggs, Trading Wars Army, Dan, SDK, Kevin, Dex, Trading Wars Army, Arnaldo, Calmeen, Aaron, Grumpy Bear, B Daddy, Trading Wars Army, Gus. What's going on, guys? Cecilia, Trading Wars Army, JF, Vin, Ernesto. All right, guys, look, buckle up, guys, buckle up. All right, because I think today, to be honest, is probably one of the most exceptional 618 trades that I've ever seen. I don't think I've ever seen a run like this. And obviously, we had a lot of volatility with, different news that was going on in the morning, whether it's CPI, unemployment, FOMC. There's always something, and that's what brings opportunities for day traders. Okay, so let's go ahead, and we were going to first recap the amazing Fibonacci trade. And then I'm going to talk to you a little bit about in the morning, how I got chopped out and how I was able to recover. Since I want to also show you that part of it too. Okay, so the first 5-minute candle came in, so we gapped down. All right, and with the fibs, we like to generally wait for 3 candles. Okay, so 1, 2, 3. So once this new high came in here, that was our sign that, okay, this is a push upwards. We have a bullish play here, a bullish algorithm that's in the game. So what we did right here, guys, take our Fibonacci from our low to our high like this. And what I'm going to do, I'm just going to set it to the basic so that you guys can see. So basic right there. So go ahead and we take our fib from our high to our low like that. Okay, next candle comes in, guys. It tags the 618. Okay, it tags it one time. Tags it one time. There's only one chance right here, guys. So you have to have your order waiting. Right, tags it one time, and check this out, it's gone. Like literally, when this was happening, when we were trading, I had to, like, my screen, the price action was just going above my screen. So I was literally like, what's going on? Like, I haven't seen something like that in so long. So I had to literally keep going like this. You know what I mean? Throughout the day, it was absolutely crazy. So the 349 calls went for 394%. And this on futures, which we took it on futures, it went for 160 points in one day. I have not seen something like that's absolutely crazy. 160 points in one day. So on one contract, that's $8,000. So legitimately the type of day where you can double your account in one day. Literally double your account in one day. I have not seen something like that, guys. Look at this 618 right here. Such a tiny little 618 and then an absolute explosion. So let me just go ahead here to the Fibonacci live setup. Let me just show you that we call this out live. So you can see here, no clear direction. I'm waiting for a new higher low. 618 was filled at 9:45 Eastern right there, guys. We caught that 618 and just rode it, man. So what I really want to show you guys is just, I've been saying it over and over again for the last week, two or three weeks, that it's a day traders market. There's opportunity right now for the day traders to come and make money. The volatility we're seeing, we have not seen this type of volatility in such a long time, that the people that are capitalizing are the ones that are able to react to the price action in real time. You have to look at the price action. You see, that's why we use the fibs, because the fibs allows us to see the first leg. Okay, so we saw the first leg and we played that. We let the market show its hand first. Then when you show your hand, then we're willing to take the trade. All right, hit me with a 10 if that makes sense. Does that make sense, guys? So this one is, if you want to take a picture, a screenshot of this for a 618 trade, this is probably your best case scenario. You'll probably never see in one day. This could happen over multiple days, but in one day, I highly doubt it. All right. So in the morning for me, guys, I did get chopped up, and I wanted to be fully transparent and show you what I did. So in the first trade at the morning, if you look at the 5-minute chart, you see that everything was actually really clear. But I went to the 3-minute chart because I wanted to get into a trade right away at the open. So I went for the 3-minute opening range breakout right here. You could see we broke the low and I got in right there and I got stopped out. And then I tried this IB again and I got stopped out. Both short attempts. So I tried with the short this morning, but the good thing that I did was on those first two trades, I kept my size extremely small because whenever you have a big gap like this, the premiums are going to be high. There's going to be a lot of volatility. And just with the fibs, you literally just need to win 1 out of 3 trades. That's all it takes, guys. 1 out of 3 trades to make money. That's why I love it. That's why I love it. So, the losers I had, this Fibonacci easily covered that plus way more. And that's why I want to teach you guys about the fibs, because it's a forgiving strategy, because the risk to reward is so good. All right. Okay. All right. So for tomorrow, there is so many picks on Lotto Friday. But what we're going to do first is let's go back and look at SPY. Let's look back at the bigger picture. Okay. So if I take the Fibonacci from the low to the high, okay. So I'm going to add the golden zone. So the golden zone is the 50 and the 786. Okay? So that's why I created the golden zone right there. All right. So you could see we came to the 50. And remember what we were saying yesterday, that we had these previous all-time highs over here, and now we're retesting those, which is common. So I think one of the reasons this fib did crazy today was obviously because we had a lot of institutional buying on the 50 of the monthly chart. Okay. So that is going on right now. But I still don't think, if you look at these last 2 weeks, we had big short selling and then big bull buying. I don't think anybody is out of the woods just yet. I don't think the direction is clear right now. But what I do know, guys, is I believe this is going to bring a lot of opportunity for day traders, because the volatility intraday is going to be so crazy, especially with Lotto Fridays and 0 DTE. So one thing that I'm a little bit sad about is, so you guys can go back to the 5 here. I just want to show you guys this. Where is the options? The one thing I was sad about today was that the 349 calls were for yesterday expiry. Tomorrow, Friday. If this was 0 DTE, this would probably might have been 1,000%. Hit me with a 5 if you guys think it would have been 1,000% on a 0 DTE. So I wish that this happened tomorrow, because we would have caught it with 0 DTE and we would have just destroyed it. But, some people are swinging a little bit of this into tomorrow, which can work as well. But I prefer to just hit that intraday and cash out. So right now, not sure. But that's why with futures, you don't have to worry about that. You don't have to worry about getting the right expiry and all that stuff. So that's why I like sticking with futures. Okay. So tomorrow, what are we going to be doing? So tomorrow for Lotto Friday, first and foremost, I have some really, really good picks. I have Tesla, I have Microsoft SPY as well. So I'm going to post all of those on the Twitter, and I'm going to scan them with you just now in a second. But what I want to focus on for Lotto Friday with you guys tomorrow is the fibs. So we're going to be looking for 0 DTE, morning leg and afternoon leg pullbacks to get cheap prices on the options. And that's what I really want you to focus on Lotto Friday. So what I want you to think about with Lotto Friday. So for example, we can go back to last Friday. So what I want you to do is really let that first leg trade. If you're a new trader, right? Where was it? Right here. So if you're a new trader, let me just make sure I'm on the right day. Still 7. There. Okay. So if you're a new trader, guys, just make sure you give yourself some time to learn. So what I would do is probably paper trade. Okay, paper trade in the beginning. Or what I would rather you do is just say, hey, I have $50, I have $100 that I'm willing to lose this on Friday, and play it like that. Okay, and what we're looking for is fib. So this was last Friday, the first fib we had. If I go high to low right there, we had this beautiful first rejection right there. And then if I take it from the full down here, we had that 50% double top. And all of those plays with 0 DTE are going to make you a lot of money, because you're always getting the pullback. You're allowing yourself to get a cheap discount with the Fibonacci. You are not chasing, and I don't want anybody to be chasing tomorrow. Okay, so we'll be doing that all live. And then right here in the Fibonacci live stock channel, that's where we do our lottos, and we also do our lottos here for SPY. So we'll be going through those live in real time. All right, so guys, check this out. If you're interested, if you want to trade with us live tomorrow for Lotto Friday, I think is a good opportunity to get some experience in the market. Check us out at tradingwars.com. If you get any one of my 3 books, you get 1 month for free, 30 days. You can come trade with us live tomorrow. You'll get my premium indicators for life. You'll get all the Fibonacci channels for stocks and for the SPY room. And if you want, you can sign up right here on the main page for just a regular subscription. Okay, so what we're going to do now is we're going to go ahead and we're going to do some scans. All right, so let's do some scans together. All right, so guys, just hit me with a 4 if everything's making sense. Hit me with a like if you were able to catch that fib, or if you just like the fibs in general, because I really think, guys, my message is just to get the fibs out there. My message is to do that. I just really want to teach people the power of Fibonacci because it's changed my life. And I that's why every day I come here and I say the same things, and I just hope that, you know, I could help somebody. I could change somebody's perspective. I could stop them from losing money, stop them from blowing up their account. Because when you blow up your account, when you lose your money, guys, it's a joke on Twitter. It's a joke on social media. But that person that lost that money, guys, it's very depressing, very stressful, and it could lead to a lot of problems in their life. And I've been through that, and I know people that have gone through that, and it's important. Okay, not everything is a joke, right? And I want to share the real things, the things that I know can help people. Okay. All right, let's go ahead right now. So what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to go ahead. I'm going to scan first for the Nirvana. So Nirvana right here. It's this one. We have AMD. Okay, AMD right here, guys. So AMD has been chopping around for the last 3 days. You can see we had the Holy Grail, and then we had another outside bar. So we have the Ragnarok right here, guys. So this, I don't think we've ever had a Ragnarok on AMD. If I were to look back, let's look back and let's see. Do we see any Ragnaroks? Oh, we had one actually here. This was April 13, 2022, and we had a nice sell-off from there. So this is a very rare pattern. So I'll be watching AMD tomorrow. Okay, so AMD, there's a lot of Holy Grails because there's a lot of outside bars that closed today. Google, another one, okay? Ragnarok. So this is a rare time for the stock market. When we get these Ragnaroks, what happens is a lot of people are trapped. Okay, Twitter, okay, nice little Nirvana. That's just a regular Nirvana off of a double inside. So Twitter looking for a move tomorrow as well. And then I also have, like I said, SPY. We look at SPY right here. SPY with this Nirvana. And then we look at Tesla as well. An outside bar. So for SPY, I also posted a swing trade plan in the swing trade section if anybody's interested. But let's just go do a quick analysis of SPY. Let me see here if I go to the daily here. Okay, so let me just remove everything here. So you can see here we have the blue, right? So the blue is the Nirvana. The last time we had a Ragnarok back here. So I'm just trying to look for a clean Nirvana. So we had this clean Nirvana back on February 22nd and this one on January 22nd. So this one led to a huge gap up and this one led to a huge rally. Okay, so let's pay attention. This pattern is very powerful. It's very rare. So I'm going to post some stuff on Twitter right after this so we can get going. And I'll also post the full plans in the Discord. Okay. All right. So lots for tomorrow. Today, I wish it was Lotto Friday because if we got 0 DT on SPY, we would have went for 1,000%. But that doesn't mean we can't hit it tomorrow. Okay. So we're going to do our best. Tomorrow, we're going to come back. We're going to hit it again, guys. And we want to finish this week strong. We want to make that money and we want to have a good weekend. We want to relax. All right. So let's go ahead and do that for tomorrow. Tradingwars.com. Like I said, if you guys want my scans on Trendspider, use TWZ30 at checkout or email Trendspider. They'll hook you up with the affiliate program. Otherwise than that, guys, thank you very much for your time. And look, I appreciate you. 14 minutes, not bad. Let's go ahead and let's hit it hard tomorrow. My message for you today is allow yourself to not be the person that's getting in the trap. Don't be the person that's getting trapped buying overpriced premiums. Let the premiums come to you. Let them be cheap. And guys, if we can get 300 likes tonight, if we can get 300 likes tonight, I'll go live. We haven't been able to get it in a while, but if we can get 300 likes tonight, I will go live tomorrow during the lunchtime. All right. Thank you very much for your time. Don't forget to comment, like, subscribe. If you comment, you have a chance to win the giveaways we do every Sunday. Comments were low yesterday. I want to see them up today. Okay. Thanks very much, guys. Take care and have a great night.